Tired of manual data entry and endless accounting headaches? Let's ditch the chaos and connect Clockify with QuickBooks to unlock effortless invoicing and precise financial tracking. First, let's get started with Clockify. Access your Clockify workspace and click on your profile icon in the top right corner of your screen. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down menu, select Integrations. This page lists all the available integrations that Clockify offers. Scroll down the integrations page until you find the QuickBooks integration card. It should clearly display the QuickBooks logo. On the QuickBooks card, click the Connect button. This will initiate the connection process, directing you to the QuickBooks Authorization page. You'll be redirected to QuickBooks, where you'll be prompted to sign into your QuickBooks online account. Enter your QuickBooks username and password. After logging in, QuickBooks will ask you to grant Clockify access to your company file. Carefully review the permissions requested, and if you're comfortable, click the Grant Access button. Once you've granted access, you'll be redirected back to Clockify. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the integration is successful. Now, you can configure how your track time and projects sync to QuickBooks. Here, you can map your Clockify projects to QuickBooks customers, ensuring accurate billing. You can also map Clockify users to QuickBooks vendors for payroll purposes. Customize these settings to fit your specific needs. Now, your track time in Clockify will automatically flow into QuickBooks, simplifying invoice creation and providing detailed time-based cost analysis. Enjoy streamlined accounting and accurate financial reports.